Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus Problem Series, we will solve the integral of secant to the power of 4x. While solving this integral of secant to the power of 4x dx, we should split this into two, and we should write it as secant square of x times secant square of x dx. And in order to solve this, you should know that secant square of x is equal to tangent square of x plus 1. And we will rewrite this secant square of x as tangent square of x plus 1. If you can't remember this, you can solve the problem. And if you can write, secant square of x is 1 over cosine square of x, 1 over cosine square of x. And this is sine square of x over cosine square of x plus 1. And you see that they are both equal, since we have 1 here and cosine square of x, and this part will be sine square of x over cosine square of x, and this is cosine square of x over cosine square of x, and this will be equal to sine square of x plus cosine square of x divided by cosine square of x. Since the addition of sine square of x and cosine square of x is 1, then this part will be equal to 1 over cosine square of x. And this equation identity is really important for you. And we will write tangent square of x plus 1. Why are we doing this? Because we want to reduce the exponent of secant to the power of 4x. And we say this reduction. If we have a exponent greater than or equal to 3, we always split a part of secant square of x from this part. Okay, then the integral becomes secant square of x, secant square of x times tangent square of x plus 1 dx. And if we multiply this, the integral becomes secant square of x times tangent square of x plus secant square of x dx. And we can split this integral into two parts, and we can say that the integral is tangent square of x secant square of x dx plus integral of secant square of x dx. And I wrote this into the left side and this secant square of x to the right side. Okay, and we know that the derivative of tangent x is secant square of x, so this integral becomes tangent x, and this part is easy. And for this part, and we know that the derivative of tangent x is secant square of x, then we have the derivative of tangent x multiplied by dx. This means that we should use here the substitution method, and we will say that tangent x is equal to u. Take the derivative, secant square of x dx will be equal to du. Then this part will be du and tangent x will be u. Then the integral becomes integral of u squared times du, and plus we will write here tangent x. And while taking the integral of u squared, we will add 1 to the exponent. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and we divide by 3 plus tangent x. Since we know that u is tangent x, then the integral becomes 1 over 3 times tangent cube x plus tangent x. And since the integral is an indefinite integral, we add a constant here, c, and the answer is this. In the next lecture, we will solve the integral of secant to the power of 5x dx. See you in the next video.